Let's go inside Universal's epic universe to the wizarding world of Harry Potter to see what their very popular Harry Potter and the Battle at the Ministry ride is like as we walk you through a Floo to this incredible queue line. We'll meet some characters along the way, and we'll show you what it's like to get on the ride itself and what to expect while you're on it. We'll also check out their fantastic Beast show, try out some of the food here like their butterbeer crepes, and explore some of the different interactive elements within this world. But before we head inside, let's watch the grand opening celebration of this portal with a number of Harry Potter actors.
Beyond this gate lies streets magic, with witches, wizards, and beasts fantastic.
I'll remind you that our assignment is to create a report for our Care of Magical Creatures class, and in order to complete the assignment as efficiently as possible, we need to focus our attention on looking for signs and clues that lead us to their whereabouts. C'est magnifique! I have some books to help us with this! Oh mon dieu! C'est quoi cette monstrosité? You don't know the Monster Book of Monsters! It's only the greatest collection of beasts, creatures, and more outside of Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, of course. Really? What do they teach you in your school? Oh, see, here it is. A demiguise. Peaceful, herbivorous, and can make itself invisible.
Hey, say, is that book alive? That thing nearly nipped my finger clean off.
You have to handle it with extreme care, otherwise it can cause serious damage. Come on, let's go. I think it's heading to the Cirque canoe.
Well, at least we know this one will do about anything for a good grade, huh?
Oh, that's and I really need a good grade to graduate, so let's catch up, but maybe at a safe distance.
Swell plan. Oh, hold your hippogriffs. We're coming, we're coming.
All right, everyone, wands at the ready.
Because a world of fantastic beasts and magical creatures awaits you all. The wizarding world of Harry Potter, the Ministry of Magic, is right beyond this portal.
So, follow us for your next epic adventure. Come this way, everyone.
This area is inspired by the Fantastic Beast movies. As you walk the streets of Paris, got some different restaurants and stores perhaps we'll check out. The main thing that everyone is heading to is the ride. So we made it over to Harry Potter and the Battle at the Ministry. I think I'm gonna try to ride it. Yeah, I gotta do it. I gotta do it for you guys. Let's do it. Before we get on the ride, I wanna show you what you will sit on for this particular ride, which basically has a little seat belt that you pull around. I'm 6'1", a little over 200 pounds, and I've got a little bit of wiggle room in the seat. Like most rides here, you have to be at least 40 inches tall. And if you're under 48, you have to be accompanied with an adult. So let's go through the line queue real quick. I'm gonna definitely at least show you what the ride vehicle is like. There's not too many people in line. We're waiting to go in one of these Floos. It just sucked them up. This place is crazy. Oh, wow. Bro, this effect is incredible. All right, I'm gonna go in the Floo. Hopefully this works out and I end up where I'm supposed to go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. That. Oh, another one. Whoa! This is incredible. I mean, I've seen some pictures, but wow. I don't remember the exact Harry Potter movie this is from. I did watch it with my kids. It's been a while, so forgive me. Don't be too hard on me in the comments. But I do remember the scene of the Ministry of Magic and going through a similar flu, but this is incredible. There's just so much going on all around you. Oh, we got a storm up at the very top here. Got these posters that are animated.
The new Minister for Magic, Kingsley Shuttlebot, would like to extend his warmest greetings to all visitors of the Ministry today.
We've got lots of different wanted posters in this hallway. And this is pretty amazing. All sorts of little things that are moving on the screen here. So if you are waiting in line, lots of little hidden things to find. Got a little bust up top. He was just talking. He's not at the moment. Got a little robot down here with a cleaning in progress sign as we're waiting in the queue. As we continue on the queue, we've come to these lockers. Got some different talking artworks in this section of the queue.
Welcome, sirs and misses, to the Ministry of Magic. It is very exciting that you are here for this most important day. Yes, she is indeed. Today is the day which is all the mysteries Dolores Umbridge stands trial for her crimes. And Hippolyte never speak ill of her former mistress, no she would not. But if she did, Hippolyte would probably say that Dolores Umbridge is a horrible, nasty woman who deserves to go to jail for a long, long time.
I've got lots of different cats on the wall. So we've worked our way up the stairs in the queue. We have a couple more stairs to go and we'll find out what's up around the corner. We've got lots of wanted posters in this area too. So we've actually gone up the stairs and now we need to go down these stairs. I think we're about to load on our ride vehicle. So you don't have to use a locker. You're able to put your bag in with you.
All the way back at all times, and you're not tossing your legs at any point.
So I can't film the ride, but I'll tell you what I think of the ride afterwards.
So from the time we first moved to when we came to a complete stop, it lasted about 5 minutes. I struggle with feeling trapped on rides and was apprehensive about getting on, but I'm glad I did end up riding this ride.
Wow, that was incredible. Whew. I couldn't tell what's real and what was the screen. So I will say there weren't any like major drops. I mean, you go up and down. It's an incredible ride. I would say if you're a Harry Potter fan, it is a must-do ride. The technology in it is just, again, absolutely incredible. It's a little intense for me. I'm really glad I did it. I'm not sure if I would do it again, just because for me, it's a little bit intense being on a vehicle, kind of strapped in. I can't go anywhere. That's my challenge. But glad I did. It was really cool. Let me go back through the flu. So from the Ministry of Magic ride, we're gonna hop into this cafe real quick. So it is a very hot day. I figured I'd get a frozen butterbeer real quick. Delicious. And they also serve butterbeer crepes. I'm excited to try this out and see what it tastes like. My wife Brie and I did go to Paris on an anniversary. We had some legit, authentic crepes. So I'm gonna see how this compares. Kind of sad that she's not here to enjoy this with me, but I'll have to come back with her. Let me try this out. A little bit of whipped cream, a little bit of everything here. I'm not sure how many times I'd ride the Ministry of Magic. I definitely would come back and get another one of these butterbeer crepes. This is incredible. I really like it. Now that we're outside the cafe, I did want to point out there's lots of little interactive places everywhere that you can interact with a wand. And here is a show that you can go to and watch. I just want to show you the queue for the show real quick. It's about a 25-minute show. I feel like I'm about to go into a circus with a number of fantastic beasts. I think I might want just an epic.
Treasured guests, we are almost prepared to welcome you into Le Cirque Arcanus. Always follow the instructions of circus staff and ask for assistance if needed.
So there's a pre-show in this room that lasts for about 6 minutes. Then you work your way into the theater where you sit down to watch the full show that lasts about 20 minutes. It has some different fantastic beasts, but nothing too scary that I would be worried about when it comes to little kids getting scared. I thought it was a neat show. It was well done, but I like the How to Train Your Dragon show a little bit better in Burke if you only have time for one show. I see lots of people coming out of the show right now. I want to point out there's a little store over here. You can go in and shop for wands and a couple other different stores. A sweet shop over here on the corner. I just wanted to peek in the sweet shop, which has a lot of things you'll find over at Universal's Harry Potter areas as well. We also wanted to point out that in addition to the cafe we tried out earlier, they also have the Gobelet Noir restaurant you can also dine in. This is a quick service restaurant inside the wizarding world of Harry Potter at Epic Universe that does serve alcohol and has a number of salads, soups, handhelds, and entrees to choose from. Lots of different wand interaction places back here.
Oh, look at your shirt. It's like a light sky blue.
Oh, thank you.
You have a beautiful one. Well, of course I see your shirt, darling. It's lovely blue. What is your name?
My name's Ryan.
Another Ryan. That's 2 in a row. What? Must be a sign of good luck. I believe in signs, my love. I am Cassandra Trelawney, mistress of divination. I have the ability to look beyond the present. So, Ryan, where are you from, my dear?
Tennessee.
Oh, my goodness, that's in the Americas. Did you hear that, Simon? There are many great wizards that have come from the Americas. Yes, indeed. Isn't that right, Simon?
Oui.
Ah, yes. So, show me your wand. I know you're holding it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, that's quite magnificent. That looks like a Cosme Akashor. That's a little cauldron on there. Well, look at that, Simon. Isn't it gorgeous?
Yes.
Oh, you must do some magic with us. But first, I want you to meet our knight over here. This is Cirque Duggan. Say hello, darling.
I am Cirque Duggan, a knight of the round table at your service.
No, at your service? My goodness, he doesn't say that to everyone, Ryan. You have impressed him with that amazing wand. All right, Ryan, I'm going to let you do some magic. But this magic, I think we shall do with Simon over here.
Okay.
Simon, may we do a bit of magic with you?
Oui.
All right. Now, Simon has looked a bit glum today, you see. He's an artist. He tends to brood, don't you, Simon? Oh, well, that's the first chuckle we've got all day. But you are going to cheer him up. You're going to give him a good laugh, all right? Point your wand at Simon.
Yeah, I've got good dad jokes too.
Yes, point your wand at Simon.
Okay.
Confident flick of your wand.
All right.
I want you to say, Ricta Sempra.
Ricta Sempra.
Oh, my goodness.
Bravo!
Oh, bravo!
Well done.
Oh, Simon, do you feel better?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. You definitely cheered him up. He was having a rather glum day. Where did you go, Ryan? You were here?
Yeah, I'm over here. There you are. Yes, I'm still here.
Yes, well, you know, I'm a portrait. I can't really move except like this, you see. There you are. Well, good job. What house did you say you were in?
I don't have a house assignment yet.
Oh, my goodness, darling. But you've got a wand and you did so well.
Oh, thank you.
Well, let me ask you. May I ask you 4 questions?
Sure.
All right. Well, actually, it's 1 question, but you have 4 answers to choose from.
Okay.
All right. I'm just going to give you my idea of how you get into a house. Let's see. All right. There's a cute little kitten stuck up in a tree. All right, Ryan?
Right.
Tell me what you would do. Would you immediately climb the tree to save the kitten, or would you run next door and ask some people to come help you save the kitten? Or would you look for a ladder to climb safely to get the kitten to climb safely down? Or are you hiding behind the tree laughing because you put the kitten up there?
Well, I used to be a firefighter, so I'm gonna go get the ladder and then climb up and get the kitten.
Oh my goodness, you are a Hufflepuff.
Okay.
You're very brave. You believe in safety and saving the kitten. You're a firefighter.
Yes, yes.
Well, my darling, round of applause for you. What a noble, noble profession. How brave you are. That almost makes you a Gryffindor, so now I'm confused.
Yeah, I'm confused too. I've got teenagers at home. It's,
You know you must
yeah.
get yourself sorted. All
right.
A real sort.
I gotta go. It's been a pleasure to meet you. We gotta run. Bye.
All right, goodbye, darling.
Bye.
Gryffindor, Hufflepuff.
All right.
Gryffindor.
So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this epic universe world. Hopefully this video has been helpful or enjoyable. If it has been, do us a favor and like it before you leave, and check out our other epic universe videos in the pinned comment down below.